Okay, this is my cousin's bag. It's my cousin's bag of fidget spinners. Look how addicted he is. Dude, look, take out the tablet. Here's your tablet.
An addiction.
The addiction. Oh my god. Okay.
He's got Batman.
He has cases.
He has like 14. He says.
14.
14.
14 fidget spinners.
14. Oh my god. He's got.
Oh my god. Wait, make some space for this so you can see everything. It's just like, wait. Do you still have some at home? Every single one you have.
Yeah, he has every single one here.
Why'd you bring all of them? He has gold ones. He has a silver
one. He's got
one.
plain. He's got American ones. He's got.
Wait, where's the American one? I like that one. That one's hitting me.
That one, and there's another one with the Captain America face. Where's the Captain America face?
The addiction for fidget spinners, like literally. This is the Batman one. Alright, dude, the addiction is gonna get his 15th fidget spinner at the desk. He's asking for money, but he failed. He's not gonna get the. Go look at the window. I know you want. Oh, I know you want that fidget spinner in there.
It's gonna be open in 20 minutes.
Did you guys see that?
It's that little circle.
There's a little block right there.
No, it's not that.
Hey, no, stop. There's a little.
They have a Bluetooth one, which I'm not gonna get because they catch on fire when you charge it.
That one's right there. Right there, and then right there. I'll put an arrow on that.
Just like he looks at it once more, wishing.
They have a what? Dude, he knows his fidget spinner so well.
I know, he just wants them.
He wants to collect every single fidget spinner in sight.
No, instead of the Pokemon catcher. I went to almost every stand of fidget spinners at Trader's Village.
It's in there. It's open.
It's open. He's going. He's looking.
What happened? What is he doing? Is he asking his mom?
He's asking his mom for money.
Oh.
Will his mom say yes?
Be quiet.
Alright, fine, we'll talk. It said I can't go in there without an adult, and now my mom said I have to wait because she's talking.
William's in the shop. He's there.
$15.
There he is. He's winning. There he is. He's excited for the fidget spinner. Oh my god, you're really gonna buy one? I feel like you should buy that one.
Yeah, I am, but
Oh, it's a black?
I mean, dude, I tried.
I don't even have one. You should get the silver one.
He's 14.
The what?
He's 12.
They have it in blue too.
Hey, get the silver one.
Nah, I'm gonna get the blue.
The blue one?
Yeah, I mean, look.
Good choice.
Sick. I mean, but look at these.
What are those? The glow ones or what?
Yes, it is.
Excuse me.
Horribly.
Yeah, hey, you can't do that.
Don't take them out.
Yeah, don't take them out.
Don't take
Yeah,
them
these
out.
are the lighter ones.
Just look at them and then know if you're gonna buy them or not.
Yeah. Where's the blue one?
Are you the oldest?
Yes.
He's
You
14.
behave.
Funny one. What's for his mom? She starts talking.
You have a face though.
Fish. Big red, spicy.
Me and Raymond are getting gum.
Yeah, we're getting gum. Not fidget spinners. I was like, not fidget spinners.
Wait. Oh, dude, that's my favorite. That's my favorite gum right there.
You want me to get it for you? It's $1.
Dude, this is my favorite gum. My favorite gum.
16 pieces.
Hopefully, I can buy one of these.
It's $1.
Yeah, it's $1. Okay. Let's see if William succeeded yet.
Good morning.
Hi, how are you?
Good. How are you this morning?
Hold on, William. There he is. He's actually doing this. He's actually buying the fidget spinner.
He's failed. The dinosaur's attacking you.
So wait, you're gonna get the dinosaur and the fidget spinner?
Oh my god. Nope.
Wait, when you get to it, you're gonna get one of
gonna
those.
get a
Two.
bear.
You're gonna get a bear, a dinosaur, and a fidget spinner. Let's see what we're buying here. A fidget spinner, like a fidget spinner, dragon gum, and chips. Jamie, what?
They don't have any of my favorite colors.
What's your? Isn't your favorite color green?
Oh, wait. Make sure you
They
don't
have
want
other
these two.
games over there.
Oh my god, they're green.
Oh, there's his favorite color right there.
I'm like, you know
Hey, you can play Hangman.
Right? I think they're a lot of good stuff.
Oh, these are cheap.
She's on the phone.
Me and William, we were all like,
Oh my god, there he is.
dude, you know fidget spinner.
There he is. He did it. He did it.
Me and William,
He actually did it.
me and William said, like, once you become a famous musician, we were all like, hopefully he doesn't forget about us. Oh, look, what?
There he is.
I had a red one. Dude, it looks
Oh my
cool.
god.
Wait a minute, hold on.